In this video, we're going to talk about the 3-column layout of the RME table, when and how to set it up, and why to use it, and how it compares to the top items widget that's native from Zabbix. So the 3-column layout is pretty simple. We basically want to show what the actual true top end value of a bunch of different metrics are for whatever it might be. So I'm going to choose an RME table here, and I'm going to pick a couple of hosts. So I have generated a bunch of synthetic network switch related data, and basically what that looks like is bits received, bits sent, discards, errors, packets, pretty common data that you would get off of a network switch. So I went ahead and added 2 hosts up here, and if I go down about halfway on the page in the configuration form, there's this 3-column option, and it's described over here as to what it is. But what 3-column is going to give you, and I'll choose an item here, go with bits received, put that into our pattern. Okay, and I'm not going to change anything else yet. I just want to showcase what 3-column really is. So without doing anything else other than adding our hosts and our item patterns, what we get here is a 3-column layout. So first column is going to be the metric name, second column will be the host that it is derived from, or the host object, and the third column will be the value. Now, what's really great about this is that this is truly showing me the top end values. Okay, it's very easy to see because by default, using the sorting parameters, which you can actually choose to show the bottom end if you wanted to and sort in a variety of different ways. We can say, show me the top 50. That's all fine and good. So I'll go ahead and apply that. Now I see the top 50. Well, let's compare this to the Zabbix top items table. So this is actually what got me started on this whole journey of making a brand new widget, or extending the top items widget to get an actual top end value. So we'll add the same hosts that we added in the RME table, and we'll add the same pattern for the item. And we will not set anything else other than we'll make this 50 as well. And vertical layout. So vertical layout in top items, and vertical layout is carried over into the RME table as well. We could talk a little bit about that at another time. But what you get here is 2 columns. So, well, 3 columns. You have your item over here, much like the RME table. And then what you get in the other columns is 1 column per host. But it doesn't really show you the top end in the same way that the RME table is. So this is showing us the true top end across all of the different hosts that I've selected. And you can see I've chosen 2 hosts. So our top 5 values actually are spread across both of the hosts. So the highest value is, first and second highest value are on synthetic switch 02, but the third is on synthetic switch 01. You can't really tell that from here. And in fact, if I look 8.56 gigabits per second, that's not even the first column in the top items widget. And the reason for that is, well, it has to sort in some way, and it has to sort by one of these or the other. So you end up seeing that, well, this is not ordered in any particularly useful way, and it actually extends to this column as well. Yes, this is the top value across all values and the top value for synthetic switch 02, but it's so difficult. It's just not clean. It's not really showing me top end in the way that I would expect it, or in an intuitive way. So if you were to be asked a question, who are the top producing or top talking switches or interfaces, this is the layout that you want to choose. The good thing about 3-column is you can still also, you can sort it. There is a client-based sort algorithm that is built into, or a feature that's built into the widget. And yeah, so that's what you get. That is 3-column layout compared to the top items layout.